No, I train, man. I train that. So, hey, if you want to talk, man, come here. So,
Come here, bro.
so
I come on your
No, sir, it's not about servant.
You want to talk with me? You can
no. You
talk
are,
with me.
my dear, you are talking. You are talking.
I'm not talking, bro.
Okay, then thank you.
Thank you
you,
so
my
much.
respect it. So he wanted just interrupted that I said that if someone talks to you, then he must talk in front.
Why you came here today, sir?
So just for checking that there is the person saying that searching for the liberty. So where our main thing is that liberty, freedom. So for with God independence, you know that from 1447 but in reality I think we didn't get it. That's why you and we, every Pakistan is just seeking one thing, and that's a real liberty. That's why I'm an American accent trainer. I train there, but I fetch my time special here just for I fetch myself here just for one purpose. Is there available or not? The main purpose, main things. So I think so that the people are here is just giving a lot of just human and using their mentality and understanding. But I think so. But I hope so that they would be excellent in that next year. So I hope so that I find that here people are very conscious, they're very well motivated, and they have a lot of visions. Like everyone is saying, everyone is promising, everyone is telling that we have that solid just reason. But here I found that some reason because one Mr. Bhutto, that like I have listened that Mr. Bhutto was just slaughtered just for ourselves, for the nation's sake, for sake of nation. So and now at last national I want to say that I really felt here that the people have the real enthusiastic power. So I hope so that
Your accent is very beautiful. I really like it. But to whom you see the next Prime Minister of Pakistan?
I hope so that everyone wants that the real emperor, the person, because you know that I love Islam, everyone loves Islam, because Islam allows that. Islam doesn't allow any person who is just like that, like
Name that person, sir.
So it's a little difficult for me because
No, it's not difficult for you, sir.
no, because that I am a real person. Allah my always according to Holy Quran. If any ruler will on rules on you, but okay, so you must obey that. So I would be very obedient and one. But here, if I'm finding that if people like they are showing their intensity about their love of the Pakistan, if they are real, then they would be okay. It's me, Mr. Bilal. And otherwise, if they are seeing their verbal communication, if their verbal communication is not according to their promising, then I said it doesn't suit for them. So that's why it's a rational answer that I can't decide about this.
I want that you should have to name that person.
So I think a lot of questions that you can ask like that. For example, okay, if you are
I think you are frightened.
Yeah, none. I am not, because I just have fear. One, I'm scared from just one. That's Almighty Allah. You can see by my eyes. Eyes can tell that if you are frightened, if you can hypnotize a trap or not. That my eyes will tell you openly that in my heart, in my everywhere, in my mind, in my maintenance, there is
So why are you not telling the name which is in your heart?
Because here is just I am nurtured, but I'm not well acquainted, not familiar with that. Their real things, real. You can say that mind of nature. So that's why I can say I'm just observing everyone after observation, because you know that Allah says in Holy Quran, without investigation, without testimony, if you see any commands, it would be you would be just hellfire. So I have one fear. Yeah, of course you're right. Seriously, I have fear of Allah. So Allah's wrath is very, very frightening. You were right. I'm frightening, but not about people, about Allah.
What would you think about the future of Imran Khan, sir?
I think so, because you know that his one person is nothing. You know that here is democratic Pakistan is like Islamic Jamhur. You can in Urdu and in English that Jamhur. So democracy is main things that. So for like people you have seen, everyone have seen that people are just ignoring and just leaving his party. So that's why I think so. It would be very difficult. I mean, the very strong challenge to know if he'll come back in that party and same opposition. The opposition is very strong. Why not? But it's up to next. You know, the main power, the supernatural power, and omnipresent is Allah. Almighty. So Allah can't change anything, but your answer to the point I would like to answer it. So it is a little harder now, harder text too, because they are very now you can say motivated, confidence, and they are very great vision like this party, People's Party, others. So it's a very difficult for it's mean harder task, Herculean task. I learned no, I train man, I train that. So man, hey, if you want to talk, man, come here.
You can.
So
Come here, bro.
I come on your
No, sir, it's not about servant.
You want to talk with me? You can.
No. You
Talk
are,
with me.
my dear, you are talking.
You are
talking.
I'm not talking, bro.
Okay, then thank you.
Thank you
my
so
respect it. So he wanted just interrupted that I said that if someone talks to you, then he must talk in front of your eyes to eye. That's the real, the real way that